Welcome to the ultimate beginner's guide to meditation. Find inner peace and tranquility. In today's fast-paced world, finding a moment of calm can be challenging. But fear not, because meditation is here to help. Meditation is a practice that promotes relaxation, mindfulness, and self-awareness. So let's get started on your journey to finding inner peace. First, find a comfortable and quiet spot where you won't be disturbed. Sit in a relaxed position, with your back straight and shoulders relaxed. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Now, bring your attention to your breath. Notice the sensation of the air entering and leaving your body. Let go of any tension or thoughts that may arise. Just focus on the present moment. If your mind starts to wander, gently bring your focus back to your breath. It's normal for thoughts to come and go. The key is to acknowledge them without judgment and let them pass. As you continue to breathe, take note of the sensations in your body. Notice any areas of tension and try to release them. Feel the heaviness of your body grounding you to the present moment. Remember, meditation is not about achieving a blank mind. It's about being aware of your thoughts and emotions without getting caught up in them. You can start with just a few minutes of meditation and gradually increase the duration as you become more comfortable. The more you practice, the easier it will become to find that inner peace and tranquility. So take this time for yourself. Breathe. Find that quiet space within you. Reconnect with your inner being. Thank you for joining us on this meditation journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and techniques on finding inner peace and tranquility. May you be filled with love, peace, and happiness.